Hey guys, we're back again. Welcome back to Sapphire and Cypress channel. We have Kentrosaurus here right now. This is the original Dino Escape Kentrosaurus. They're all originals, but these are, I gave them some distinctions. This one, I gave them some red and some blue spots on this other Kentrosaurus here. They're all from Dino Escape. So all of them have the same features. They have this switch right here. They turn around. There you go, it turns. So, yep. The reason why I brought them out is because of the new Chaos Theory Kentrosaurus. It just got here today. This is our brand new Kentrosaur. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna check the back. Alright. We already have this Sartosuchops and the Cryptops, but the Pteranodon is not available yet. Can't find it. It still says not available or out of order. But anyways, at least we finally have a Kentrosaurus Pierce now. So let's check it out. It has a better color now. It has some, what are these, orange or amber back plates. The original didn't have any color, just regular chocolate brown right here. So finally a Kentrosaur has a variant now. This is the first time having a variant. Hopefully one day Mattel makes a Pentaceratops variant as well. That doesn't have, oh wow, there's more extra spikes here. They look like Thai chilies though. Look at that. Thai chili guy. Okay. Oh, I just trimmed my nails today, so it's hard to open for me right now. Oh, there you go. Alright guys. Wow, they do really look like hot peppers. Huh? Like Thai chilies, guys. Look at that. Same size as well. Alright, let's take out the tail. Cool, nice color. Looks like a military green. Let's put it on. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the difference. This one didn't have a connection back then. It's so different. So I remember when I bought this long ago, the tail was separated. But it wasn't half though. It wasn't cut here, unlike this one. They really updated this thing. They gave it a broken spike right here. That looks cool. This time the switch is gone. Alright, let's put on the chili spikes now. There you go. What? Doesn't fit. There you go. There you go. That went in. Oh, see that? It's really meant for each side. See that? The other one has a round slot. This one has a square slot. Look at that, huh? There you go. Nice. It's made of rubber. This one's not. It's hard plastic. See that? This one's just soft. Real cool. They're softer too. There's a DNA scan. Super cool. So let's see the difference from the original Kentrosaurus. The mouth is actually open now. You can see that? And has scars on the face, battle scars. Meanwhile, the original does not have any battle scars. And he's got a closed mouth. Also, the original can move its neck. You can move it up and down and turn it around. Look at that. Meanwhile, this new one doesn't have that feature. You can just move it head like that, but it doesn't turn around anymore. They really updated a lot of this features here. Look at the battle scars. Really look cool. It's nice right there. The original doesn't have any battle scars. None whatsoever. Oh, see that? So you just move it like that. No switch no more. Oh, it's actually the tail now. So you move the tail. So this is better for me. So yeah, there you have it. I used to have 6 of this original Kentrosaurus long ago. So the 3 of them went. I made them as hybrids. They went to the Pentasaurus Lux, or even the Kentrospinovirgia. Yeah, it went there. Because I actually needed 2 Kentrospinosaurus. I'm sorry, excuse me. I needed 2 Kentrosaurus in the Pentasaurus Lux. So yeah, 2 went there, and then 1 went to the Kentrospinovirgia. Yeah. I think the other head went to the Stegosaurid as well, or the other new Stegosaurus that I made. But anyways, yeah. So we got 4 Kentrosaurus now. Super cool. Let's put the new one in the middle. Same as goes with the original. There you have it, guys. I think I only need one of these because We got 4 now. It looks super sweet. It adds to our Stegosaurid collection. I'm glad they changed the mouth. Oh, fuck. Yeah, there you have it. There you go. They changed that too. Broken tip right there. That's cool. I like it. So it looks super cool. What's this? Maybe a factor defect? Okay, that's okay. Oh, look at that. The chip back way. That's so cool. They did that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in the next video. Alright guys, have a good one. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright guys, I appreciate you all. Y'all have a good evening now. Bye for now.